Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Vivo phone setting guys, and today friends we will talk about guys how to use Wi-Fi setting on Vivo phone. Friends, you want to connect any Wi-Fi network on your Vivo mobile. So how to connect Wi-Fi network, let's see in this video. So friends, before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Vivo phone. So friends, click on network and internet, and friends you will find your Wi-Fi setting. So click on Wi-Fi, and friends on your Wi-Fi. After on Wi-Fi friends, refresh your Wi-Fi setting. So friends, which network you want to connect on your Vivo phone device, select. Example with this network I will select, and friends I will enter password. Friends, you want to check password, you can check. Friends, you want to copy this password, so you can copy and you can cut this password. Friends, click on connect option. Wi-Fi network will connect on our Vivo phone device, and friends we can use. Friends, you can see connected. So guys, now we will check. So guys, now we will on Google app. Friends, you can see after connect Wi-Fi network, friends we can use our Google app, Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube. Friends, you want to use, so you can on. So we will on YouTube. So like that friends, after connect Wi-Fi network friends, you can use your apps like YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp. You can use it friends. Friends, again click on Wi-Fi setting, and friends click on which network friends you have connected. Friends, right side this setting icon, click here. Friends, you can see disconnect. Friends, click on disconnect option. After disconnect friends, Wi-Fi will disconnect, but guys this network will save on your device. Friends, you can check here, save the network. Friends, click here. Friends, again you want to use, friends click here, and you can connect. Wi-Fi will connect on your device. Friends, you can see again this Wi-Fi network has connected on our Vivo mobile. And friends, you want to share this Wi-Fi network, friends you can share from here, nearby device. Friends, you can share. Friends, if you click forget option, after forget friends, now you cannot use Wi-Fi setting on your Vivo mobile. Friends, you want to use, friends again you will have to enter this Wi-Fi password, then friends you can use Wi-Fi setting on your Vivo phone. And friends, you want to add any network, and friends you want to connect a network with QR code, so you can scan QR code and you can join any Wi-Fi network, and you can add network from here. Add network, enter password, then friends you can connect Wi-Fi network. And friends, Wi-Fi data users you want to check, so you can check your Wi-Fi data users from here. So like that friends, we can use Wi-Fi settings. So guys, now we will turn off. So I hope friends you understood how to use Wi-Fi setting on Vivo mobile. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.